Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you guys an after dark clean with me video. So what I'm gonna be doing in this video is cleaning up after dinner, put the food away, wash dishes, and I'm gonna be washing dishes by hands today. I'm not gonna put I'm just gonna put the dishes in the dishwasher just to get dry, but I'm gonna be washing by hands. I just thought I'll do something different and show you guys what I do when I wash them by hands.
When I feel I don't want nobody to tell me to slow down. Yeah, we're still faking it. We pretend that we're good, yeah. Cause you know I'm feeling something's missing. No, it's
alright, so after I was done washing the bowls to put the food, I'm gonna start putting the food in the fridge. That way I can have the pots to wash later when I'm washing dishes.
I want your body. Come and let me show you what I mean. Let's stop praying for love, yeah. One of us gotta choose, gotta move, gotta dare to speak the truth. Cause something's not working. Yeah, I'm done faking it and pretending we're good, yeah. Cause you know I'm feeling something's missing. No, it's not what I had wished for. Let's stop praying for love, yeah. Yeah, I want your heart, I want your body. Come in.
Alright, so before I start washing dishes, I start walking around the house finding cups and bowls that the kids leave around, so I can make sure that I have all of them around. That way when I'm cleaning later, I don't get any surprises. So I was just showing you guys I use the 409 to spray the stove. That way it can kind of make the residue of the food get soft, so that way I can wipe it later. And I use that the spray I was showing you guys earlier in the microwave. I love the smell of that spray, so instead of using something that's too strong, I just use it instead on the microwave. I'm sorry about my pens, you guys. I did not realize how clear it was when I started cleaning. I actually had to delete a bunch of clip in this video because of my pens, but because I worked so hard in the video and I went to sleep so late, I wanted to post it anyway. Since I'm not naked, I figured I use the clip anyway to show you guys what I did. But I did wipe all the counters because I feel like they were greasy, so I'm gonna do that. I did wipe the one below too, but like I said, my pens was giving too much problems in the video, so I decided to cut some of the clips out.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Now onto the dishes. I'm gonna start with this side of the sink by cleaning it out because that's where I'm gonna put the water. You guys gonna see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna wash it first and then do that. I like to do that on this side. The side is not the garbage disposal side, so for some reason it locks better and the water stay on there for longer. So I'm gonna start with this with the cups first. I put like a spoon of Clorox in there, like a tablespoon of Clorox in there, so it can smell good. I've been doing that since I was in Haiti. That's how my mom taught me how to wash dishes. I'm gonna rinse this side, take them out, wash that sink also, so that when I'm done washing the cups, I can put them in that sink so I can rinse them and put them in the dishwasher. So you're gonna see exactly what I'm doing right after I'm done cleaning the sink. I just dropped some lemon in there. I usually like to do that in the garbage disposal because it smells so good. Some people drop Clorox in there, some people put lemon, and some put essential oil in there too. I heard that smells so good. I haven't tried it, but definitely you guys can try it. It just help with the garbage disposal because that's where you put all the garbage from the food. So basically I'm gonna just start washing the dishes and then put them in the other sink, and then put them in the rinse them, put them in the dishwasher to dry.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you.
Alright, once I am done with the dishes, I'm gonna clean those placemats. That's what the kids usually use when they're eating, so they drop things on them, and I wanted to clean them before I put them in the drawer.
Shoes up if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Alright, so I wanted to put the chairs away this night because I was gonna steam the floor. I don't usually steam the floor on camera because I don't usually do it. My husband usually steam the floor. I usually just give a quick mop, but he likes to clean to steam the floor and then wax the floor, and I'm not about to do that. So I didn't but this night he wasn't home, so I just went ahead and steamed the floor, but I did not wax the floor because it was late, and plus that's his job.
I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see.
By the way, I do not like the steamer, guys. The steamer, you have to turn it so it can pour the water on the floor and then switch it back to wipe the floor. Like, it's too much. It's too much. I don't like to steam the floor. As you guys can see, and you never seen me steam the floor before, but since I was doing like an ultimate clean, I wanted to show you guys how I steam the floor, especially he hadn't done it that week, so that's why you see it. I was washing clothes that day too, so I just left them on the couch and started cleaning the kitchen first. Since I was already making the video, I just thought I'll bring you guys along and give you guys some more motivation.
I'll go anywhere the way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind.
Alright, so last thing of the night is to tidy up the living room. It's not that dirty. The kids drop crumbs on the floor watching TV. I just like to clean this room before I go to sleep. For some reason, it's just one of those rooms that it's so nice to wake up from it clean, because sometimes I even have breakfast there and watch TV or watch YouTube or whatever. So I like to have it clean.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Alright guys, so we are all done. I wanted to show you guys the final look. I didn't do that much in this room, but I thought I'll show you anyway because I did steam the floor. Thank you. So yeah, this is it, and I thank you guys so much for stopping by today. If you did stay to the end of the video, go ahead and leave me a comment and leave me a crown and let me know that you stay until the end and enjoy the video. And I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Don't forget before you leave to like the video, comment, and definitely subscribe because it helped my channel so much. So thank you so much again for watching today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
I am not so sure you believe me.